Garry. Garry Summer.
Hi, I'm Gary Summer, and this is Bonnie, and today we're going to be testing to see which ammo is the best for a potato gun. So let's get started. These are all the supplies that I'm using. Ear muffs, the actual potato gun itself, a baseball bat to get the ammo fired and put inside the gun, hairspray to make the actual explosion inside the gun, a tape measure to actually measure how far away the ammo is going to be launched, and the different ammo right here in this bucket. So test one is about to start. Make sure that the lid is on tight when you're doing this experiment. Here we go, test one. Apple.
The king goes grrrr.
Man, wasn't that something? Now it's time to measure out my steps and find the apple. 208, 208, 208, 208. Fire in the hole! Orange! Oh, shoot. Have it! Okay, third attempt at trying to fire the orange in the hole. Launching it! 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Woo! Oh! Third attempt at... Woo!
Dang it, Dale.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. You done know.
Dang it, Dale.
Okay, apple, or just like the whole screen. So, to get all the results for the Spud Gun's ammo, the apple did about approximately 100 feet on its first test, 107 feet on its second test, and 164 on its third test. The average was 123 feet, which was pretty good, I'd say. The orange was, on its first try, only 17 feet, not very good. But the second and third try was 170 feet on its second try, and on its third was 179 feet, with an average of 122 feet. Now for the potato, the Spud Gun's main ammo, it reached on its first test 72 feet, 216 feet for its second test, and for its third test 235, with an average beating all the other averages, 174.633 feet. Now the pear was the absolute worst out of all of them, only 50 feet for its first try, so pretty bad, with an average of 77 feet. Now the onion was the interesting one. 61 feet for its first try, 89 feet, 90 feet basically, on its second try, and 150 feet with an average of 166 feet. So now you know what the best ammo for a Spud gun is. It's Spuds.
Garry, Garry. So
I touched the spaghetti! Please, like this video if you liked it, comment down below, and watch some of my other videos if you want. I don't care, I mean, I kinda do, but, you know, check them out, and have the best day of your life. Every new subscriber I get gets a new video. Ha ha ha.